you have anything illegal on your person?
No, sir.
No weapons, no
listen,
any
the
other
only
weed?
thing I have literally is just the weed and just the vape pen. That's all I would have. That's it. That's all I keep, man. And the Glock I had, it was in the center, but...
Alright, go ahead and take a seat right here on the front of the patrol car, okay?
Yes, sir. Oh, God, nothing, officer.
One in the chamber? Huh? One in the chamber.
Yeah. Coming in.
I would assume, right?
Do I have to go to jail? Can't y'all just
I don't know.
give me
That's
a
what I'm
write-up
saying.
and I just go to court like I always do?
Here, let's sit in the car so you don't want to get
caught.
Yes, sir.
My camera rolling?
Am I getting locked up or do I have to?
Just swing
No, just go in there.
Okay.
it. Close the door.
Look,
I
so
know
you don't
guys
get wet.
close it, I'm going to jail though usually, right?
Bro, put your legs
Just-
in.
I don't. There's a probability you're going to jail. Yes, I don't know. So just swing your feet in so we can
Yes,
close
sir.
the door.
I don't want to cause problems.
Alright.